Hi folks, so in this video I'm going to be walking around Apedale Community Country Park, to give it its full title. So it's another walk out of the trusted AA 50 Walks in Staffordshire book. It's walk number 16 and it's got it earmarked as orange, which is supposed to be the middle sort of toughness. It's about 5 miles. But it turned out to be a bit of a hidden gem. Well, I say hidden, I knew about it. It lies just outside of the city of Stoke-on-Trent, and it's about 2 or 3 miles away from Newcastle-under-Lyme, and it used to be an old colliery pit, and yeah, it's been turned over to nature, made into a park. And yeah, it's like I say, it's turned out to be a little gem. I've been back several times now. Now I've discovered it. It's only about 15 minutes drive. It's easy to get to, it's easy to park up, and yeah, it's just a lovely walk. So there's a good chunk of it as woodland, and there's some high points for decent views. Most of the tracks are really accessible. The way I went, there was some, dirt tracks and what have you that were a bit overgrown and so on. And yeah, I think that's it really. I think the video will say it all. So let's get on with it. Right folks, so I'm in Apedale Country Park today. Just thought I'd come and give it a look. Not sure I've taken the right turn now. Anyway, I'm sure I'll correct myself in a bit. This is literally on my doorstep. It's a 15-minute drive. Never been here before. So we'll see what it's got to offer. So the park is about it's couple of miles east of Newcastle-under-Lyme. It used to be quite industrial, but it's been turned back over to nature, country park, since the mid-90s apparently. It's hard to believe that this is in the middle of your city. I think right, I think I'll go up this way. Yeah. think we go down here. It's a turn right and downhill. I can remember the instructions correctly. So the instructions and the map are a bit confusing, but I'm going to go this way and wing it. At some point start turning back on myself. I'm looking for something called Fern Bank, where they've got head-high ferns. Look a bit short for that. Oh, they're getting bigger. So I'm flying solo today, folks. I just thought on a whim. What was that? Just disturbed something. Yeah, on a whim I thought I'd just come check this local nature reserve, country park, call it what you will. Always spooky in woods, isn't it? A lot of dog walkers though. There's a lot of people around. I think I'm heading in the right direction. Who knows? I've only got my own brain this time. Normally I can consult with my brother, but it's all down to me. And I think it's this way, up through the clearing. So we go left here, I do believe. I keep seeing birds that I don't recognise, but they're too fast. I can't get my other camera out in time before these buggered off. this is after the gate, turn right on a fence and a little copse, and you keep the fence to your right. This looks like what he's talking about. So this is the way we're going anyway. This is cool. So obviously keeping it with the industrial theme of the area. Let's carry on up here. I can't believe I'm only stone's throw away from Newcastle. Anyway, my feet and legs are getting wet in this grass. We had quite a bit of rain last night. Nothing's dried out yet. Oh. So I'll carry on up this path, and it should lead me to the village of Apedale. It used to be a mining village anyway, before all the pits were closed. Oh, cracking view from up here. Right, so I think this is where it refers to as the gatekeeper's cottage, but I could be wrong. I think I'm going in the right direction. I think this is the style that it's talking about. And I can see the other one across the field. Some cracking views up here though. Don't like how that ball's looking at me. He stood up all of a sudden. Found it. It's here. You can't see it. That's such a finding. Don't put something on. Don't put something there for a big flag or something. I'm gonna go. Gotta say that initially when I got here there was a lot of people, dog walkers and the like, but I haven't seen anybody for a good while. Something about turning left, farm buildings on the right. going. I think I'll go this way. There's a stile hidden. Just banged it. Set the turn right when you get to this bit. Yep, just turn right. That's the way I'm going.